Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I will share two very new cool Google Chrome extension with you that can be productivity hack for you guys and that can be your daily drivers while working on Salesforce. Guys, using the first extension, you can edit, delete or insert multiple records at once. Yes, we can do it using the data loader already, but I'm talking about the standard list guys. By default in a standard list, we can edit or delete a record at a time. But using this extension, we can select multiple records at once and we can edit or delete them together. And guys, using the second extension, you will be able to check the API name of any field by just pressing a shortcut on your keyboard. How cool is it? Yes guys, we just have to press a shortcut on our keyboard and the API name will be there on the screen. So guys, let's start this video. I'm Kapil, your host, and you're watching Salesforce Bolt. Okay guys, so for today's demo, you just have to log in into your org because we'll be adding few Chrome extension to our browser and that will be reflected in your org itself. So let's start with the first extension guys. So the first extension is Salesforce Mask Editor and let's see what it says. So it says it will allow you to mask, create, update and clone or delete multiple records at once on any list you guys. And also guys, it will work on Classic and Lightning both. And as they have mentioned in feature like makes any Salesforce list view to be powerful mask editor, okay, and it will mask, insert, clone, update and delete, all right, and it will copy and paste Excel with multiple rows cells data. It means you can directly copy rows from Excel and you can paste it in your list view. And apart from it, we are having export list view data to CSV file. Okay guys, so let's check out how it's going to work. So this is a default list view into my org. I'm using account list view here. Okay, let's go to all records. So guys, this is a default list view, and as you will notice, like in default list view, we are not having option to edit or delete records. Edit or delete multiple records at once. We can do edit or we can delete the records one by one. Okay, or we can also use the inline editing option here. All right, but using the inline editing option also we can edit one record at a time. But guys, using the mask editor, we will be able to edit, delete, clone, insert multiple record at once. So guys, after adding the extension, you will be able to find a new button above the list view which says mask editor. So let's click on this button. Okay guys, and bam, as you can see, like after clicking on the button, all the rows are editable now. We can edit multiple rows at once, we can select them and we can delete it. There's option to clone also guys. We can also clone the records. We can export them as CSV file. So let's try and editing some records. So it says contact test 1. So let's make it 101 and let's make it 102 and let's make it 103. Okay, and just click on save. Okay guys, as you can see, I have updated 3 records at once and these records has been updated successfully. So the extension is working absolutely fine. So guys, you can use this extension as a daily driver while working on Salesforce. There could be multiple situations in which you have to delete few records. You don't want to use data loader at that time and you can delete multiple records at once, or you can edit or create multiple records at once. Okay, so guys, let's move to next editor. And guys, also I'll be writing a blog about it. You can find the blog link in the description below. I'll be posting the blog into my blog, which is salesforcebolt.com. I'll be writing it tonight, so you can just directly go and check out all the features, and I'll be sharing the links also there guys. The extension link also be there. Okay, let's move to another one. So the second extension guys I'm sharing today is Salesforce Show API Names. So guys, using this extension, we can check the API name using a shortcut key from our keyboard. So there's some shortcut key specified based on your keyboard type. If you are using Mac, you could be using Linux or you could be using Windows. So there are separate shortcut keys available based on your machine type. So using the shortcut key guys, the field name will be available on the screen itself guys, on the record detail page. So let's check the shortcut for the Windows. For Windows, it says Alt Shift and Z. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's open this account here. All right, let's move to detail page. So guys, as you can see, this is the default view for account detail page. Now I'm going to press the shortcut key here, which is Alt Shift and Z. Let me just press it. Alright guys, so as you can see, after pressing the shortcut key, you can see the API name of fields underneath them. You can see the API name of standard fields as well as with the custom fields. And guys, if you press the shortcut again, so the API key will be hidden again. Let me just press it. Alright, so we are back on default view guys. Also guys, if you notice, like there's account ID also, I mean after the account name, you can see the account ID here. So overall guys, yes, it's a very useful extension. I mean, there are multiple times when you need to check the API name, then you have to go to object fields, and after that you can get the API name. But using this extension guys, you can check the API name on the go. You can check it anywhere from the detail page itself. When you don't have to open the object, you don't have to go to fields, you can just directly check it by pressing Alt Shift and Z. And guys, the extension will be hidden until someone press the shortcut key, so no need to worry. I mean, nobody is going to notice it. I mean, if you have already added the extension in your browser, until you press the shortcut key, the fields will be hidden there. So guys, there are multiple shortcuts, like we are having different shortcuts for Mac OS, Windows, Linux and Chrome OS. There are different shortcuts available. And guys, I will be sharing this extension link also in my blog, so don't forget to check it out and please install it. I mean, this could be your daily driver. This is a productivity hack for developers. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's video, and I hope you learned something new. And if you learned something new guys, subscribe to the channel will be awesome. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. Also let me know if you have any query in the comment section below guys. I'll try to revert back as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next one guys. Thanks for watching.